Kakagising ko lang, it's around 1:30 p.m. and here's what I eat in a day, and I am trying to go back to 4% body fat. Let's go. So napaka-straightforward na lulutuin natin for the whole day. Itong 90-10, 90% lean, 10% fat na ground beef, which is 750 grams raw weight. This will be all my protein source for the whole day. Since tinatamad ako magluto ng rice, ito lang yung carb source natin for this meal. Naluluha talaga ako pag naghihiwa ako ng onions. But alam nyo yung tip, paano kayo hindi maiyak pag naghihiwa kayo ng onions. Do not establish an emotional relationship with the onion. Alright, so ito yung first meal natin. We have 400 grams of papaya here, okra, 200 grams, and then syempre, suka. If you are having a hard time na mag-jebs or constipated ka palagi, chances are you are lacking fiber to diet, no? Yeah, let's enjoy this. Taste test. Sarap. Sarap. Paborito ko. First meal, in. I just got home, it's 7:30 p.m. Nag-grocery ako saglit and pumunta kami ng vet ng pusa ko kasi grabe yung shedding niya. It's time for my second meal. Second meal, 250 grams na, kasi diba, 750 grams yung total weight na niluto ko dito sa ground beef. So, dinivide ko lang by 3. So, roughly 250 grams of ground beef per meal. 3 meals kasi ako ngayon. And then we have 350 grams of papaya. So, ito yung second meal natin before our workout. Alright, so last meal tayo. Kakauwi ko lang. It's exactly 12:39 a.m. Yan. Microwave natin yung remaining 250 grams of ground beef. And tinatamad na ako magluto ng rice. So, ito yung carbs natin for today. Pinya. So, I'm not really familiar on how to open this stuff. So, wish me luck. So, kunin muna natin yung itaas at yung nasa baba. I hope I don't remove too much meat though. Kunin muna natin yung edges. Alright, not bad. Dito ako nahihirapan sa part na to. Pagtanggal ng mga mata ng pinya. Inaalala ko na lang paano kinukuha ng mga street vendor yung mata ng pinya. Sobrang gutom ko na guys. I wanna eat already. Alam niyo ba guys, yung saging, it is genetically modified na wala ng buto. Actually, yung pinakaunang saging in the world, may buto yan. May seeds actually. Tapos, minodify lang ng mga scientists in a way na wala ng seeds yung banana. It sounds weird, right? Saging na may seeds. But yeah, that's what happened. Ngayon, why can't scientists make a pineapple without all this katong tinatawag na pinya ice, mata ng pinya? Alright, check natin. Ilang grams to. So approximately 340 grams. Not bad. The finished product. Wait lang. Check ko muna dito sa MyFitnessPal kung kasya pa yung calories. And I have 52 calories to spare. Not bad. So, ito yung last meal natin. Lalagay ko dito yung total calories and macros that I eat for a day in cutting. So, see you sa next one.